Hey guys, it's me, the humble one. Alright, there the breadcrumbs up the top, right? Let me roll this up so you can see what I'm talking about. I just pulled a rabbit out of a hat. If I don't get any traction from this video, I'm gonna go out and get me a goddamn paper route. Let me lay it on you. First I'm gonna verbalize my, I'm gonna give myself some accolades, alright? Anyways, the subject, no bird's nest, annular cutter, chip breaker. Them are all buzzwords, alright? I watched a gazillion YouTube videos about using annular cutters, and the word bird's nest is right in the middle of it. I see guys doing things, and I'm only talking about emails. I'm not talking about mag drills. I'm talking only emails here. I see bird's nests that you needed a rake to pull the goddamn chips off with. What I'm telling you is, I did mine on an email with no bird's nest. See, it says up there, no bird's nest. See the picture on the left? There's 2 holes there. Jim, what are them holes for? Those holes are chip breakers. They're shy of the ID of the annular cutter. So when the cutter revolves, the chip gets broken at those holes. Alright, on the right is a picture showing the annular cutter in action in my shop. I'm going to take you out there and show you those 2 things in action. A little bit of the specs. The cutter, see in the middle, 2-inch diameter annular cutter. The block, 1.5 inch thick. Right? Steel block. Cold roll. Not hot roll, it was cold roll. Cutting time under 3 minutes. And what's that word say? No bird's nest. Here's what I don't expect this. I demand this. I want many favorable comments. And I also want a standing ovation. Alright? Now, either I get a paper route, either I get this ovation, or I'm going to get me a paper route. I'm going to use this annular cutter. I'm going to try and go through with the power feed the magic of these 2 holes. You see these holes? I drilled them already. No use putting you through the exercise of seeing that stupid shit. I'm going to put this in the vise. Then I'm going to try to power feed through it. Obviously, I'm gonna put a lot of oil on it. Let's see what it does. Bear with me, guys. Let me just get all this shit out of the way. Suckers off.
You'll need to go.
Thank you, sir. There you go. 1.5 inches thick. Big slug. How the fuck does he do it? The man's a god. Hang on. And I'm humble besides. Let me blow this off. Hope I don't hurt my lips. Hang on. That's the top side. That's the back side. You can see where the burr went through. Ah, you son of a bitch, and it's hot. Alright? How do you like them fucking apples? See ya. As I wrap it up, I always get the same advice. We live in a crazy-ass world. Here's my advice. Pay it forward. Don't get caught up in all that silly bullshit. You understand? Again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment. See ya.